Hello everyone, welcome back to Leumastudios. In this section we are going to be looking into construction of a tangent on an arc. So we are given the radius of our arc to be 35 millimeters. So the first thing is to draw our arc to which we have to construct our tangent. So using a radius of 35 millimeters, we're going to draw our arc. Okay, so the next thing after we draw our arc is to get the point P to which we want our tangent to be on the arc. So at any point of the arc to which we want to have our tangent, we can label it as point P on the arc. So we have this particular place as the point to which we're going to be constructing our tangent. So the next thing to do is to, using a very small convenient radius, we're going to draw a circle from the point P on the arc. So after drawing the circle, we're going to label the point at which the sides of the circle intersect the arc as point A and point B. So we bisect point A and point B to get the center line of the circle. So to do that, we're going to mark an arc from point B, and then we come to point A to cut the arc. So at the point of intersection from this and this, we join the two lines together. So we have the point of intersection, which is point C and point D. Okay, so the next thing to do after we have our point C and point D, which cuts this circle into two, the next thing to do so as to construct our tangent is to bisect the point at which the line CD touches the circle on two sides. So from this point, we mark an arc and then comes to the other side and mark another arc to cut it. So we join the new point of intersection of this point, regard it as point F, and then we join it to point P to draw out our proposed tangent for the line. So we have our new line on point F and point P as our tangent, which is 90 degrees to the normal of the circle. Thank you very much.